Please subscribe Happy Recipes for Souls and click the bell icon to get the instant notifications.
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to make yummy and tasty momos. Along with this I'm going to make a yummy and spicy momo chutney. So come on, let's check how to make momos. To make momos, at the first I'm going to prepare a dough, for which I'm going to add 1 cup of maida into a bowl, into which I'm going to add salt a pinch. And now I'm going to add the water and start to knead a dough. Make sure you knead a tight dough. So after kneading the dough, now we'll let the dough to rest for 15 minutes. Till then we'll make the momo stuffing. To make the momo stuffing, at the first I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil into a pan and we'll let the oil to heat. So after the oil is heated, now I'm going to add 2 finely chopped green chilies and 3 to 4 finely chopped garlic cloves, and we'll give it a gentle mix once. So after mixing it once, now I'm going to add 1 finely chopped onion into it. And now we'll saute this onion for few seconds. After sauteing the onion, now I'm going to add 1 grated carrot into it. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of grated or finely chopped cabbage. And we'll mix this mixture for a few seconds so the excess water in the carrot and cabbage gets completely evaporated. So after a few seconds, the excess water in the cabbage and carrot is evaporated. At this stage, I'm going to add 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder, half tablespoon of red chili powder, and now we'll mix it once and off the gas flame and let down the mixture to cool. So after the mixture is cooled down, now I'm going to add salt as per your taste. Remember that you should add salt after the mixture is completely cool, or else there will be a moisture formed in the mixture which is not good for our stuffing. So now I've transferred the dough into tiny balls, and now we'll roll out these tiny balls into momo sheets as you can see in the video. So now our momos sheet is ready. So now I'm going to add the prepared stuffing into the sheet, and we'll fold the edges of the momos and transfer it into a shape of momos. You can transfer this into any shape which you want. So here you go, our first momos is ready. In the same way I'm going to prepare the remaining momos. So to steam the momos, at the first I'm going to keep a pan over here into which I kept a stand, and now I'm going to add water. So after adding water, now I'm going to place a plate which is greased with oil on the stand, and now we'll add the prepared momos into the plate. So this is an alternative step. If you don't have a steamer in the house, you can use this method, or you can even use a steamer. So now we'll close the lid of this pan and let it to steam for 10 to 15 minutes. Till then we'll make the momo chutney. To make the momo sauce or the momo chutney, I've took a pan into which I'm going to add water, and now we'll on the gas flame and add 2 tomatoes, 8 to 9 red chilies, and we'll blanch it for 5 to 6 minutes. So after 5 minutes, now we'll check the condition of our tomatoes. So as you can see, the outer layer of the tomato has started to become separate. So now we'll off the gas flame and transfer the tomato and chilies into a plate. And now we'll add the boiled tomatoes and the boiled chilies, and now I'm going to add 4 to 5 garlic cloves into it and salt as per your taste, and now we'll prepare a smooth paste of it. So here you can see we have prepared a smooth paste. So now we'll transfer this into a bowl and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, and we'll mix it once. So here you go, our momos chutney or momos sauce is ready. And now we'll check the momos. So after 15 minutes we are going to open the lid of the pan. As you can see, our momos has nicely steamed. So now we are going to transfer this into a plate. So here I have took a plate into which I am going to serve the momos. You can serve this momos with the momo chutney or with the green chutney. So here you go, our yummy and tasty momos is ready. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon, and do like, share, comment on this video. You can also follow us on other websites like Facebook and Instagram, and thank you for watching this video.